So this is how you can see iPhone recordings on the Apple Watch. And as you know, there are like different types of recordings available. So obviously you might want to record voice memos, you might want to record a video. So let me explain how it kind of works. When it comes to the videos, like there is no built-in way to bring videos over to the Apple Watch inside of the gallery. You know, the gallery only supports photos, right? I have the favorites folder synced to my Apple Watch, but when I check out the favorites folder on my iPhone, it includes like 4 different videos which just don't work on the Apple Watch. It just doesn't show up that way. However, there is one workaround when it comes to videos. Like you can technically send videos to yourself through iMessage or even to someone else, and then you have the ability to play them back on your Apple Watch. So it kind of looks like this, that when you open up the messages, you can see this is me. I'm sending videos back and forth with myself. And when I check it out on the Apple Watch, inside of the Messages app, I have the ability to play video directly with sound, play and pause controls. I can, raise and lower the volume and everything. So it kind of works, but it's just not the best solution. When it comes to voice memos, well, there is a separate voice memo app on the Apple Watch as well. So that's pretty useful. You can record it directly on the watch. However, it should get synced up with your iPhone as well, right? So if you check it out in here, you have to set it up the proper way, but you want to essentially make sure that everything is synced through the iCloud. Like on your iPhone, you want to make sure that when you click in here and all apps section, and that the voice memos are also synced through iCloud, and then they will show up on all of your devices. However, the Apple Watch doesn't receive them. When you have that, you can only just send voice memos automatically to your iPhone. So if you want to put that on the Apple Watch, you might as well just share it with the Messages as well, because I feel like this is kind of the only option which you can get it there. So yeah, as I say, you have the ability to send the voice memo to yourself again through the Messages, and it will show up on the Apple Watch, and you can play it, of course, the same controls and playing back and forth. It kind of works, but again, it's not the most convenient option, as you have to use Messages, which is a little bit of a workaround. Anyways, that's it. That's all I wanted to let you know about. If you have any other questions, please let me know about them down below in the comments. I might make an updated video about it. So also make sure you are subscribed, because I publish a bunch of videos every day and you might find some of them useful. So that's it, and see you guys later.